Hi, I'm Scott Ryerson. I work with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm here with Mike and Mitchell sitting on their 2019 Mastercraft X24 up on beautiful Lake Kiwi. But, what got you into boating, and kind of why are you and your family boaters?
We moved down here to South Carolina to live on Lake Kiwi. We wanted a Mastercraft. Always knew that Mastercraft was top of the line, and I've always wanted to purchase one. And what better opportunity than to go buy one based on the kids being of a certain age. I actually wound up doing a demo tour with MarineMax on the back of an X24 and was really impressed. We ran the boat so much, pretty much from 8 in the morning until 8 at night. We had so much fun on the boat. It was just a blast. It's a great family boat. Pleased to have purchased the boat.
Wake surfing is definitely a lot more forgiving. I popped out the very first time, and right when I got on that wave, I knew it was just right. It was great.
MarineMax buying process, really, quite frankly, the way you guys stand behind your product. I make a phone call and I get a live body, and if I have an issue, whether it's on the water or I have an issue where something needs to come out from a warranty perspective, etc., you guys come out and fix the problem right away. We'll never go back to our standard boat. And I think all of that basically plays into having a great family outing when you're out on the lake.